Alright, I'm back ahead of schedule. I didn't know I was going to be doing another video this week, but Vans dropped the Simpsons collaboration, and I got a pair of kicks. They're not actually mine, they're for my girls, but they're so crazy I decided I had to get them. I'm going to show you these things right here, and when you see them, you're probably going to want them. But man, they may not have them in your size because everything's going so quick. So check it out. Bam, there we got it. First off, I'm gonna tease y'all a little bit and only show you what's going on the outside, because man, this is a box worth taking a look at. Most boxes like, it's a box, but look at this one. You got the house, you got Moe's Tavern, you got Big Boy, Lard Lad actually, alright. And then you know, Mr. Smithers' toxic dump that Homer works at. Nothing there. Alright. You got the logo on top. And man, let's get into it. Y'all ready? Alright. Ooh, look at these, look at these. Now, as a guy, I probably couldn't pull these off, so I'm not gonna try. But they're for my girl. So first off, man, check this out. You have Marge, Patty, and Selma Bouvier. I had to look that up, to be honest with you. I just always knew them as Marge's sisters, chain smokers, and like a lizard named Chub Chub. Now, this right here is like a 3D effect, kind of like a little plush carpet, which is crazy. If your girl's in the hair, she'll probably love these. And these do come in men's sizes, but man, you gotta have some confidence to pull this off, I guess, right? You could do it though, but hey, whatever. So let me flip it over, because this one is my favorite part. I didn't even know this really until I took a closer look before I copped them. Now check it out. Yo, they got hairy legs. The sisters got actual 3D hairy legs. It's pretty gross, but it's pretty dope at the same time. Man, I love Vans collaborations. These ones are straight up fire. My girlfriend loves them. So if you think you can pull these off, or you want to get them from your girl, man, you better act fast, because they almost selling out. Alright, thanks for checking it out. Hope y'all enjoy this one, because man, these ones are crazy. Alright, peace.